What's the deal? Why are we filming here?
This place was actually wiped out by a tornado not too long ago, and I think actually shortly before that, it was the town was actually condemned because everybody was getting lead poisoning.
The shepherd.
No, the destroyer.
Yeah,
Hey, you have a beard. Wow.
You want to
We
take?
have a fake head with no beard.
Oh, oh
Nobody
no!
tells me these things.
Oh, I'm
He's
sorry.
got a beard. Why do you have a beard?
Apparently, Joe did not know that I had a beard. He did not look at all the
Well, that's okay.
reams of publicity I've had recently and all the
I
pictures.
looked on the website and I didn't see you with beard.
There are pictures of me. There's a picture, my default picture on MySpace and Facebook. I'm autoerotic asphyxiating myself, and I have a very distinct beard. Right, Adam?
yes.
You've been there. Anyway, what do we do? Can we solve it? Can we do
No, we'll figure something out.
Charlie goes over teeny.
What are you doing to my face there? What's going on here?
Seaming. Trimming up the seam.
Oh, I thought
Not
you
that
said.
it'll be really that noticeable with the beard you have on, but we'll work around it.
You're not
We
trying to
have
make
some
me feel
moss.
guilty about the
We have
beard.
some moss that I got.
Yeah.
And I was thinking maybe I'd spray paint this white and stick it on there. Might look like a beard.
No kidding, moss?
Moss.
Great. And then make that into a beard.
I'm not trying to say your beard looks like moss or
And
anything,
if it doesn't, then we'll have to glue the moss to your
and we
face.
grew the moss to his face and it'll match.
Sure, that's great. Oh, now, oh,
Oh, a wig. Oh, yeah. What's this? What's that do?
What is it? Yeah, Constance, what's going on there?
We're making you match our head that we're gonna explode. Blow up. Shoot, actually.
Okay.
We get to shoot it.
Literally.
Yes, not with a camera either.
So,
It looks good. It's really good.
it's not
Beautiful.
conceptual art. It's not a installation. I mean, a Lloyd installation.
Lloyd installation.
It's kind of like performance art.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look like Mick Jagger in performance.
We should.
Yeah, see?
Too bad we don't have time to like
Whoa.
blunt it so we can like spike
Yeah,
it.
this doesn't look bad, actually.
Yeah.
It doesn't actually. Well, I think they usually should like wear all
Mess
the
it up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's-
think I could get.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
good.
Looks like
Very
We should
modern.
put it in like a
When I
bow.
go to the Manhole Club and do that lap dance that I'm so famous for.
The beard problem. I solved it.
Wow.
You owe him your thanks, though.
What?
You owe him your thanks. So your head looks good.
Oh.
In the back of his head, which I shaved off here and glued it to his face.
Wow.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
What is it? Your time of the month? You don't understand. Please help me.
It'd be awesome if she was in the shot, but we'd have to position her in a totally safe spot. You know, kind of cheat the angle somehow, but you know.
Maybe we can do another shot real quick where whenever this happens, we get a medium shot of her going.
That's really
Hold focus so where it's like blurred on him. You know, we get a wide shot here in a second where you back out just a little bit, enough so we establish you're there.
Yeah, I mean we could do with that.
Well, no, we get another shot.
And then I
can shoot
slow motion,
I like that.
60 frames a second with that cannon.